Hello, boys, girls, everyone in between. How are you all? Hopefully you're doing good. If you got to make it here, straight up, thank yous all so much, my friends. All right, we are checking out JunkPunk again. We're going to check out the other part of it tonight. Hopefully you did have a bit of fun last night and checking out this amazing early access game, my friend. We'll see how it goes over time. We will come back to it over time. At the moment, I'm kind of, just started a new job. So I'm a casual worker. So sometimes my shifts turn up. They don't, I'm backwards and forwards between streaming. But to the people that do come watch this show, whenever, wherever, thank yous all so much, my friends. If you have been subscribing as well, I greatly appreciate it. Who knows, might make the first 100K. We'll see how it goes over here on YouTube, my friends. As you know, I've streamed on many platforms, my friends. Let's make YouTube the home for the future for us all. Okay. Let's go have some fun tonight. I'm going to load in because I've got a lot to do tonight. We've got a lot to touch base with this game because there is a lot at this present in time. There's not heaps, but there is a lot. So there's a lot of learning for me to do because I haven't watched any behind the scenes. I'm just diving into this game and having fun with friends. Obviously you can hear it in the background. Getting it all booted up, getting it all started. Hopefully the stream's running all right for you. Is the stream running all right for you all? Please let me know because I did adjust something. I've turned it down to 720p at 60 frames for you all. So hopefully that way the stream will be a bit smoother and all the rest of it. Let's go have some fun, my friends. All right, let's go. I'm hoping it's working for you. If someone lets me know, please let me know. It'll be greatly appreciated, my friends. If the devs come in and check this out later on, thank yous all so much, devs. It's great to actually find your game and actually check it out. Devs, if you ever want to talk to me, don't be shy. Don't just go for the big streamers because you'll be surprised. I've been doing this for 7 years. I've helped multiple games, even games that are even earlier access than this. Alright, so we've got a lot of stuff already. I've got a lot of aluminium ingot. I'm crafting steel ingot at the moment because I really need some steel ingot because we've got to craft a lot. I'm trying to get it all up and ready. What are we crafting right now? We've still got aluminium going because what I was trying to do. What I found, I've got a ton of aluminium to craft here. This will take a long time. Okay. What I have found is you got your containers. Obviously, you can put your scrap in them. All right. So what I'm thinking in the future, and then you got this thing. The shredder. Input shredder. Alright, let's just talk. You got lots of machines in this game. You got your scrap, which is your basic, okay? You got your machines. You got your basic stuff. You got your shredder, you got your manual one. Then you got your input shredder, which is the better one, obviously. So what I've tried is I've attached the storage container to the input shredder and then it goes through the separator. The separator, if you go over here, actually converts your shredded material into different recipes, the mix. Okay, one thing I have found, I don't know if it's just new or it's something the devs have done, is the auto foundry. I don't see. I see assembler, fabricator, forge, foundry, refinery, crusher. Maybe it's the crusher. Powerful crushing machinery used in machinery or crushing. What do you need? Let's check out the crusher. I don't think the crusher is going to do the same as the shredder. Because the shredder, when you refine this material, it changes it into something that's different. I'm just wondering if it's going to be something new, you know, in the future. Let's just have a look at the refinery, if I can place it down somewhere. Oh, I need 20 pumps. Okay, let's go have a look. Let's go see if I've got some steel. Let's go make some pumps, my friends. It's just something that I'm interested in. I want to see how this game goes over time, you know. It's a bit interesting. Alright, so we needed some pumps. I need rubber ingot. Oh, golly. Okay. Let's go make some rubber ingot. I've got another manual one over here, so I'll just use my manual one while that one's processing. Always good to have more than less, you know. Rubber ingot, that's electrical scrap. Let's go for it. Let's get some rubber ingot going. So you got over here, see, you got this one going. Let's get some rubber ingot going. Is it on? Oh, I need shredded rubber. Okay, okay. So let's take that back. This is what the fun part is of this game. You've got to watch what goes in. So this is going to be the fun part with the machines. Like, this is what I was talking about. We're going to try and learn the machines as best as we can. Rubber shred. And now that should be producing rubber ingot. So we're producing rubber ingot. Okay, this will create motors for us. You're right at the stage, my friends. It's 35 days. I've been mucking around, experimenting a lot with this game, having fun. So we have just got to the NWR area right now. So we've got all these different machines. This is what I'm checking out because there's so many different machines here. But I didn't find, as I said before, a shredder. I'm not too sure if the crusher is the same as a shredder. We will check that out very shortly, you know. Because it's saying that, you know, if I go into the building, crusher, there's, oh yeah, let's go check out the crusher. Let's go check out what the crusher does. Let's go see what the crusher does. What can we do with the crusher? Pure potassium, see? Okay, that's not what we wanted. Oops, accidentally hit the wrong button. Right. That's not the thing that we wanted, okay? Super compensator. I think that is high pressure machinery for production of high-tech chemicals. So that will be for the hydrogen and all that. A refinery. Let's go get these pumps going. Go see if the refinery is what we need, you know. Because I couldn't find it before. I was like, where is this thing? You know? I was like, where is it? Well, let's go show you. I don't know if someone else has done this on YouTube. I don't, as I said, I don't look at that. I just tend to dive into the deep end with these kinds of games because I love them. I absolutely love these type of things. Obviously, we're going to need a lot of them. I've got a lot of aluminium scrap sitting around. Really do. Where is it? Is it in here? Is it in this boat? No, it's not in that boat. We got to make some more stuff. That's the fun thing about this game. It's all about making, learning and experimenting. Okay, so refinery. Let's check out the refinery, eh? Let's see what the refinery gives us. What options does this give us for our recipe? Nitrous. See, it doesn't let us crush. Okay. So, because this is what I was thinking before. I'm like, where's iron shredders? Like the shredder and then the separator is what gives you more scrap. obviously, you know, these upgraded things will give you more. But if I put them two components going into this component, let's just have a look. So if I put these in, I'll get even more, you know? Because look, it's saying 4 gives me 4 metal. Okay. 1 steel ingot. Okay, let's go have a look. 4 scrap metal gives me 4 steel ingot. Let's go check out this one. Four gives me 4. I thought with the advancement and with the sheer size of it, wouldn't it mean you get more product back? Or is it just that it does it faster? That's kind of the thing that I'm thinking, you know? Maybe it does it a little bit faster because this is kind of slow. Oh, look at how long it takes. 1. Maybe it does it a bit faster, but I don't know if that's really going to justify this. Like, it's twice the size. I'd personally think that it being bigger, we'd get more from it, and it's more advanced too, you know? So what we're going to have to do is I have to build a steel scrap into one of these shredders, because there is no shredder, then into a powered separator, the old gen. I just put that there just in case the machine locks up, you know, then I can stockpile. Then I'll put it into their device. So that is a lot of devices just to get things going. I know you don't need to, you can cut out that straight away by their separator. Where's their separator? We got a forge, an assembler. So let's check out the forge. Let's see what the forge actually does. See, it's got the big output, which is pretty good. So you're obviously going to get more. So the forge only creates them 2 components. So what do you need to do that? So you need sand and things like that. So, you know, I just don't see the... Where is it? Let's go. Let's have a look. Was that the forge I just did? Yeah, that was the forge. Let's check out a fabricator. Let's see what the fabricator does. Fabricates the basic parts. Yeah, that's pretty cool because we'll need to do that. Because what I'll do is I'll craft things that'll craft these. So that way it's all kind of automated, you know. Obviously we're going to do it over time because it's going to take me a lot of time to do this. It really will. Because there is a lot of stuff to go through here, and then it'll be, you know, us going backwards and forwards, trying to work out exactly what is the best method, you know. Because there's a lot of different components. But I think what we'll do is we'll set up down the other end. We'll set up our lovely basic filters, and then we'll set up the new stuff. And then we'll set up a line so that way it can be all self-automated. Press of a couple of buttons and off you go kind of thing, you know? Rather than freaking, oh man, how do I do this? How do I do that? All right, this is stopped. That's still going. How much aluminium have we got in there? We got tons of aluminium. It's almost gone anyway. I want to start getting steel going before I actually run down the other end, you know? Because we need a lot of steel to do these aluminium. Once it's all automated, it'll be brilliant. It'll be one automated thing then 2 automated things, 3 automated things, and then, you know, you let your machines do your work for you. Hence automation. All right. Hopefully it hurries up. You know what? I'm just going to take that out. I'm going to just... Got too many buttons doing the same, little bit different things. All right. Now we've got that going. Recipe. Steel scrap. Now. Steel ingot. So I got way too much. Look at that. Look how much aluminium ingot I've got. All right. This is what I mean by the automation kind of thing. You know, you'll get some products that you'll just have so much of that you don't need. And then the specific ones you do need, you won't have a lot of. Like steel's taking a fair bit, as you see. Just in this automation, I've only got 12. Like, it is so slow with this automation to get the steel out. Maybe if I did do upgraded, you know, upgraded lines, because now I can do the faster lines, I might get a little bit faster. But, you know, we'll get there. Alright, let's go get some aluminium going, because I'd rather get the aluminium here before we go down the other end. Sorry, I am going to spam enters a lot. Devs, can you please put a max craft in here, please? Just another button, max, please. I don't know what the command is for max craft. Actually, is there a command for max craft? Let's have a quick look. Settings. Controls. No. There is K, recipe manual. Oh, okay. So it just tells you about all the different things. Okay, yeah, we need devs. Can you please put a max or 50%? Please. I know once we get it to automated, it kind of nullifies having to do this. But it's better than freaking, you know, having to spam your enters 50 million times just to craft a little bit of stuff, you know. Alright, now that's automated and that's going. I'll go take this down to the other base. I ain't got much in here right now because I don't want to inundate myself with too much stuff that I don't need, you know. Because otherwise, if I go down there and then it becomes a waste of supplies and resources down there that I don't need, I will be like, oh, I didn't need that. So, done it to me again. No, I don't need that. I know what I need. I need a bit of this. Take about 400 with me. So I'm gonna need it to start getting ready. I left this today because I was like, you know what, I want to build this for you so you can actually see, and we can talk about different methods, you know, different methods of automation. Like some of you have played this for a long time. I haven't. And sometimes it's good to get a different perspective that no one's been jaded by other people's methods. Because, you know, you can actually think outside the square then. You're just like, ooh, actually, that is a good method, you know? Whoa, 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 whoa. Got a bit drifty there. Got a bit drifty, my friends. All right. Obviously, you can see I've been a bit busy down here. It was a lot more filled up down here last night. Now it's a lot less, and there's some things up the top there. Right. What I was thinking, just doing a temp build. As I said, there's some components up here. I'm just going to destroy them because we're going to start again, kind of thing. I was having a look at different machinery and stuff like that, and then I was like, hang on. I came in here and I'm like, what? Yeah, that's, you know, that's input. So I got steel, but where's the refined version? That's where I was like, you know, I had a look everywhere. I couldn't find it. I was like, no, there's got to be something. And then I went back to that other area and I'm like, where are these devices in the... Where are these devices in the NWR? They're not there. Maybe it's something they haven't added yet. Maybe they're going to add it in the future. Maybe they're not going to. Maybe once, you know, once you get the drone, it brings back the full products that you look for. But as I said, the refiner gives you a booster rather than just going straight through here kind of thing. As you've seen, before scrap metal, you get one steel ingot. It's only the speed that's faster, so you're not actually, you know, getting any booster kind of thing, you know, you're actually losing. There's nothing in there. I just had to make sure there's nothing in there. I wasn't destroying all products. So now, let's just have a quick look if it's going to let me into my own container. Okay, let's just put this junk in there for now. Okay. Oh, did I leave rubber over there? I did too. I'm a duffer. Please forgive me. Okay, so what I'm thinking, I left the rubber over there and I also left all the devices I need. I left the motors and I left the gears. Okay, I'm going to need motors, gears. And then I'm going to need... Oh, I've got the separator. I am a duffer sometimes. Please forgive me. So I'll run it like the other one. I'll run it straight in line. I was thinking of putting this underneath, you know, so that way you don't get the cables hovering everywhere and just making everything look disgusting, but... Right, we got to go back, or have I got some tires over here with rubber? Might be lucky, my friends. Might be lucky. Oh, I've got to go back anyway. I've got to get the electric cables. I'm a duffer. What have you all been up to, my friends? I'm sorry if this isn't your type of game, my friends. I know it's a bit out of the norm for me from my PvP and hardcore survival games. But I like games like this, just to chill out, have fun, you know. It's good fun, you know. There's some rubber. Well, I might even take the, might even build a couple of benches down here and build a storage. Oh, no! Ooh, we almost lost it. We almost lost it, my friends. Let's go. We almost lost it. No, 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 no. Ooh, we almost lost it again. I love this low gravity. What the... Oh, it's from the machine. It's glitched out a little bit of the atmosphere. Alright, so we're going to need lots of little bits like motors. Get 2 motors. Get 10 of them. Electronic scrap I don't think we're going to need. We'll need gears. We'll need them. Easy. We're going to need 1 big gear. Won't need contaminated down there. We will need the 25 wires. What do we got in here? A couple of CPUs, we'll need them. Alright, let's drop that stuff back in the lovely, lovely beast of a vehicle. Right, we got a lot of stuff going on in here. Might be lucky and might put these in there. That way, they're out of the way kind of thing, you know. Alright. Because we're going to need a lot of patience here, my friends, because this is a lot of experimental. We're going to need them. We're going to need CPUs more than likely. What's this? Aluminium ingot. Yeah, that's right, from when I stashed it in there. I've got tons of aluminium ingot. Let's go see if we got tons of steel now, because we're going to need more of that specific aluminium. Okay, well, we can craft a bit more while we're here now. Alright. And then we're going to get this going. I need rubber too. Whoever said rubber, thank you. That was that voice inside my head. Don't say I used all my rubber. I was going to say. Alright. Let's drop this back. Drop the rubber off because we're going to need rubber. We've got tons of gears. We got tons of stuff. I am playing with another person, but at the moment, you know, real life. Alright, let's get the aluminium. Let's just craft it up, as I said. Got to spam the buttons. Sorry, everyone. It's the fastest way I know to do it. There we go. Now we got tons more stuff. Right, let's go for it. Let's go craft some things, eh? As soon as I get out of there and stop this hitting Q at the same time I'm hitting W. I love that, don't you? That noob! Alright, let's go. Let's go do some crafting. There will be a bit of going backwards and forwards because, as I said, I haven't got craft. Hey, Mini Moon, how are you, my friend? How are you today? Ooh, Mini Moon's going for number 1. Seeing his demon is back. Woo! What are you up to today, Mini Moon? How you been? Oh, no! I'm a crook driver. Absolutely crook driver. What happened, Mini Moon? No, it's not. It's actually small. That's only the base one. That's the start. This is going to be the big one. This one, I've got a lot to do, my friend. This one is huge with what I need to do. I'll show you. I'll show you what I need to do. And this is only stage 2. I don't know what stage 3 is yet. Okay. See these ports outside? I've got to fill them up with specific stuff. Specific. So we're going to be learning automation tonight. I wish. Okay. We got to fill up potassium vial, nitrogen vial, and phosphorus. So we got to fill up all 3 pipes. So these 3 pipes we got to fill up with specific things. But what I'm doing right now is I'm trying to get automated up and running. So I will be able to sit back and let this machine manufacture and get a lot of the supplies. The fun part is because some of the new stuff doesn't have the old stuff in there with the automation. I have to use some old components with the new components, so that way they can actually work together, and then they'll mass produce rather than me missing out on some products. So now, because if you look in the scrapper ones, you got input, shredder, and separator. In the NWR, we just went through them all. They don't have it. I don't know if the drone pad automatically does it, because the drone pad obviously is a drone. It goes up, picks up things, comes back. This is why I want to make a full automated. It's going to be a massive loop, goes all the way down, possibly comes all the way back along kind of thing, you know? Maybe even I'll self-contain it around in one big loop. So, you know, I can run around the outside, because there is a lot of cables that need to be connected here. Let's go start connecting up cables. Let's go start doing some fine tuning, my friends, because I'm learning here. You're learning with me right now. You are absolutely learning with me right now. Alright, let's go. Alright, I've got cables on me, but I thought I had more cables in here. Get some motors, because we're going to need them. We're going to need rubber. Alright, let's go. Let's go learn some stuff, my friends. Alright, now obviously connections, power cable. Try and keep it tidy as possible, so that way it doesn't become a nightmare later on. Well, autosave. That one's already in. Right. Now what I tend to do, you watch. Power cable in. Power cable in, power cable in. Here we go, here we go. Now all these generators, filling them up. Phew! This is the other hard part I find about this game. Connecting these up. There's one connected. There's two connected. Alright, here we go. This is why I'm thinking, Mini Moon and everyone, of keeping it in the center kind of thing. That way the cables are in the center. They're not in your face. They're not protruding anywhere. Medium belt, boom. Did I put this the right way? That belt's a bit twisted, but oh well. Here we go, my friends. Let's do base, because I'm going to need more foundation. Ah, been cheeky. What have you been up to today, Mini Moon? You been up to much, my friend? Alright. We're gonna make this look absolutely freaking amazing by the end of this, my friends. You're gonna be like, wow. This is just gonna be one big automation thing, and then I'll get the other things going as soon as I know, you know, the different layouts and stuff that, you know, what we gotta do. So now that I've done that, now we can craft another machine. Which is this, is it? 1 second, my friends. Is this the thing I needed? No, that's the smelter, okay. Now, we need, where is it? The forge. Wait up, is that what we need? No. The fun of a game like this, you gotta find it. I've forgotten what it was. Or, no, they're the compressors for what you need. Round extractor, air compressor, drone factory, assembler. What did I need? Was it this? I'm just trying to remember what I needed. Because there was something I needed specifically. For crafting metal. Is it the auto? Okay, let's go through all of them. The auto foundry does metal ingot, which you need the scrap to do. Okay. This creates a scrap. Yes. Okay, I did stuff up at first. I'm a duffer. The auto foundry does do what I thought it does. Always leave room in between it so that way you can do, you know, walk around and connect in power cables when need be. And alright, let's get a power cable going. Connection. Obviously, you know, I'm going to try and do this the furthest point now. That'll do. Alright, now. Medium belt. Look at this. Now we're getting there, my friends. So now that produces metal. Okay, metal components. So that will produce our iron ingots, plastic ingots, and the rest of it. Okay, now. Let's try. I know I am wasting a lot of resources on this ground right now, but I want it to look professional, you know? I want it to look nice. No! Let me go down. Oh, there we go. There's especially the effort that we're going to do this kind of freaking... Have a look at, you know, each individual component and then make a you know. Oh, there it is. Oh, nah, I won't bother about that piece. No, I'm using a lot of aluminium ingot, but as I said, we got heaps of it producing up in the other end. Very shortly, we're going to have heaps producing here as well. And it's being cheeky. I love this base building where I can't just go tab or roll my mouse wheel to adjust the height. But as you know, this is early access, my friend, so... Ah, oops! Okay. Now we got a lovely, lovely working platform going here. Alright, now we've got that. Let's see what else we got. Okay, because we're going to need to work out exactly how are these power generators going. They got 5,000, so I'm not even worried about them yet. I'm not even worried about them losing power. Okay, now, machines. Let's go check out a forge. Let's see what the forge does first. Look at the size of this thing. It's got a massive... Was that an input or an output? Let's have a look. I don't know. What the heck is the forge? So that's an import, import, import. Obviously, the other side has a one massive output. Okay. So you could actually have one in and one out. Okay, so what do we need to receive? We need sand. Oh, okay, aluminium ingot and steel ingot and sand. Okay, so you could possibly have 3 devices pumping into this thing. Okay, that's good to know. So you could probably have one of these things. Where are they? Oh yeah. Could possibly have one of these things going into it. So have a small conveyor going into a large one, split it, and have multiple machines running doing separate things. This is what I'm meaning by self-automation. That we might even end up having 2 lines, maybe 3 lines like this eventually. So what I'd do is I'd put it above, so that way it's all above one another. Makes it nice and simple and easy, you know, and just have some stairs running up and down the side. All right. Now, so that was the forge. And the forge fabricates them 2 things. Okay, what's this forge? The fabricator. What does a fabricator do? Oh, all our normal stuff. Okay, that's good to know. So the forge would be the next thing to put in line. Because, you know, you need a forge. I'm also thinking we're going to have to do a whole layout of this thing. We'll have to do a whole layout. Because I don't know what kind of utilities are needed. All right, the drone says something going out both ends, is it? Wait up, what happened there? Why can't I build a drone pad? What do I need? What do you need for the drone pad, resources wise? Ah, scrap metal. Oh, okay, so this grabs the stuff. Maximum 2 drones per mining. Okay, it's good to know. So what I can do, that is good to know, my friends. We're gonna make, this is gonna be one of the most hecticest bases you will see. You'll be like, oh my gosh. So we're gonna need a drone pad. I don't want to cover that up because I know that's gonna be important as well. Come on. This automation thing is going to be crazy. I can tell by the way it's looking right now, just by what I've been seeing, you know? So all my automation friends, you are going to be like, oh my gosh. Oops. Don't waste resources, Path, you silly man. There we go. Come on. No, get it. There we go. All right, let's try. Let's build a drone right here. Drone pad. Because the drone pad... Oh, it has a big port and a small port, does it? Okay, so the drone has a small port and a big port. Good to know. Machine, no connections, small belt. Okay. Obviously, I think specific things need bigger ports. So it's something I'm going to have to learn over time. Auto save. Okay. Now, interact, resources, so oh, okay, so I've got to actually build the drones as well. Nice, okay. So, machines. Drone factory. Whoa. Okay. That is huge. What do we need to create the drones? Oh my gosh. Built-in a laser. Oh my gosh. Drone front unit, drone rear unit, 2 drone thrusters. Okay, this is a lot more advanced than I thought it was going to be, my friends. This is going to take a lot to do. Okay, this is pretty cool. So a fabricator I'll need. Fabricator with how many imports? My gosh, look at this fabricator. This is what I mean by I'll probably end up making multiple levels because you got 2 ports there. We got 2 ports here. What goes in the fabricator? What can we make with this? So these are the drone units. Okay, these are the parts that we need to create. This is what I was meaning by multiple levels, my friends. Where's the power cord? There it is. My gosh, this is amazing, devs. Where's the cable gone? Ah! I need to make more batteries. Power. Let's make more batteries, my friends, because we're going to need them. This is going to be huge. Right, I need more electronics. And need more cables. Ooh, look at this thing. This thing's going to be massive. Then I'll build a secondary floor on top, so that way we still get the wind. Game is amazing, devs thing. Right, we got pillars, got windows. Wonder how many pillars high can I build? Nice. Okay, we need more scrap steel. Nice, we can do that. Because what I'm thinking is if I can build how high can I build? Okay, this is going to be... I think that's about the same height. It looks like it. It does look like it. And then what I'll do is I'll build another secondary floor on top of it. And then that way we can build up and build up kind of thing. So we can have 3 or 4 process lines going in the one area. It will look crazy, but it will work, you know, kind of thing. All right, let's get some more connections going for these next battery packs. Actually, I shouldn't need to. I should be able to... Oh, yeah, nah, because I stuffed up with that one. Okay. Connections. This is going to be one hectic build. Look at this. Look how much power I'm generating. We're gonna get more. We're gonna get more. You watch. I'm gonna have dual layers, and then I'll end up designing these things here very shortly. I'm wondering if I can put them over here too. Wondering if I can put them on both sides. Let's have a quick look. Don't know. I know it says one side, but I'm pretty sure you can do both, you know. All right. Let's try it. Let's just do it like that. And then obviously go high performance belts. Oh my gosh, here we go. Yeah. What do we need? We need 2 drone lasers. So we're gonna need glass. So this is why I need multiple lines, because the glass is actually in another machine. What machine was the glass again? No, I've done the fabricator. Assembler? Ah, the assembler does the electronics and the core drives. Okay. So what do I need for the drones? Let's go have a look, my friends. Oh, I destroyed the machine. I'm a duffer. I'm an absolute duffer. Let's just try and work out what machines we got, you know? Drone factory. Oh man, I need more supplies. I knew it, I was running low. This is the fun part about this kind of game. Drone factory, yeah. Okay, we need to go back. This is going to take us a few attempts, my friends, because we are learning as we go. But as I said, once we get this line up and running, gosh, it'll be set this kind of thing up. Leave it, come back, and you'll have all the resources kind of you need, you know? But tomorrow night, my friends, we will be playing a bit of War Thunder. Get some PvP action here. No! Oh, thank goodness. I got out and it opened the door and flipped it over. So yeah, we'll play a bit of PvP action. Because I know this isn't everyone's type of game, you know. I do enjoy this type of game. I stuffed it, didn't I? Yeah, no, that just destroyed half of my health just getting out then. Wish there was a way of flipping it without having to get another vehicle, but there's not. So what I'm going to do, go get the other vehicle, charge my health because my health just went to 20. I almost died. Which means I go all the way back to the start if I die. Of the level, not reset everything, you know. All I do, just go in here. This is obviously our first base that we've built. Hey, everyone that did make it tonight, cheers, everyone. Got to charge up a little bit. Ooh, let's go. Alright, now we've done that. What did I need? It was more electronics, wasn't it? I'm pretty sure I got some in the vehicle, but I've been down there for a while, so there'll be a lot more supplies up here now. Let's not stuff up the second vehicle, yeah? Easiest way to get a vehicle back over again. Sorted. Now I just got to run down and pick it back up. It's easy when you got a friend. A lot easier when you got a friend on. But if you are interested and you do play this game and you want to jump in this world with us, you are more than welcome, my friends. I do not mind. If you're a seasoned player, heck yeah. As I said, if the devs come chill out with us, bounce ideas off with us, it will be good to have yous in here. It shows also you really respect your own game when you do that, devs, too. Alright, let's go. Actually, what have we got in here? Not much. So I need more electronics. More motors. Oh no, I got plenty of motors. More electronics. Let's go get some electronics. Hey, Shin, how are you, bro? Thank you very much, man. I love this truck, man. It's so dangerous, though, man. Man, wait until you see the base, what I've been doing, Shin. Done heaps, bro. I'm now experimenting with the more higher tier stuff too now. This is just a bit of my base. Well, it's doing the autosave. Yeah, this is just a bit of the base. That's that part. This is also this part over here, man. What's going on here? Why isn't that? What's going on? Why is it stopped? What's going on? Oh, it's on. Ran out. Okay, alright. Bare metal. How was your day today, Shin? What did you get up to, my bro? Right. Actually, I need to drop some stuff off, man. I'm going to go bring this beast closer. Woke up. Oh, man. That sucks, bro. Oh, I need more cable too. Man, I am finding out this game is so advanced, Shin. There is so much to do in it. It's cool. There is so much to do in it. Self-automation. Oh, it's going to be hard for me, man. It's going to be hard. Self-automation, there is so much to do. I'm probably going to have a 4-level freaking self-automated freaking base. but it will be pretty much, it will manufacture everything and do everything for itself kind of thing. Kind of like this. This is, you know, I've almost done it all, man. Like, I've run out of scrap in this thing already. Right now it's just on slim pickings. It's freaking pretty full on, man. This is only the basic, man. Right now what I'm doing is I'm just trying to get the basics going. Getting ready for the freaking self-automated stuff, man. Once I get the self-automated going, oh my gosh. I think I put too much in my backpack. Right now, man, I am seriously just started. This area up here is only this stuff. This is your scrap. This is your basic. I am now onto this stuff. It is so advanced. Like, you wait until I go back, man. One thing crafts one thing crafts a couple other things. Another thing crafts another couple of things, you know. It's just like, oh my gosh. Like, yeah, I can craft it all here manually. But it's kind of like, you know, I want it self-automated kind of thing, you know. Which I might actually take this down the other end. It is. It's really hard. I probably still will have to take this down the other end to do a few things. What was I creating again? Alloys. Like, wait until you see what I've built so far, man. You'll be just like, wow, that's cool. The start I did have Vel helping me, but now he's just busy with real life stuff, so kinda rolling myself right now doing this, and it's freaking, I'm getting. Alright, got plenty of, you know what? I'm doing that down the other end. Actually, can I craft? No, I can't craft cables down there. Yeah, sweet as, bro. Oh, I've only got 80 copper scrap. Need more copper scrap. Eh. You know what? I'm pretty sure I've got enough on me. That we can go find. Alright, I'm broke of steel scrap right now, pretty much, I think. But when you're doing this kind of machine work, oh my gosh, I know I'm gonna need all this. I know I'm gonna need it all. Yep, 70 cables, they're gone in no time at all. Let's go. Let's go, my friends. Thank you for all the likes. You're all amazing. If you did get to come hang out, thank you all so much. If you watch the stream later, you're amazing. Devs, anyone, if you want to play this with me anytime, jump in. Don't be shy. just slowly getting there. Oh man, are you ready, Shin? Are you ready? Get ready. This is the start of the base, bro. Start. This is a fabricator that I need. Auto foundry into 2 old components, into this, into a drone. Heck yeah, bro. This is going to end up being, I think, a multi-level thing, because if you look in this, you can have all different components. It is a lot like Satisfactory. This one is freaking terraforming as well. With your first, they added in the monoliths. I've already done the first one over there, which gave us atmosphere. I don't know what this one's going to do. If you go inside, each monolith has a different kind of mission. So you have to get specific resources. So this one I've got to get potassium, nitrogen, and phosphorus. And then you go up the top, like you got one of these tubes. Wait for it to come down. So you got all these, then you go up again once you finished it. Go up again. Come out the lovely button up here, and when you're ready, you press the button. But you've got to have it all ready. Are you ready, Shin? He's all ready. 3, 2, 1. Self-destruct time! Yes! You'd think you'd blow up, but you don't. All right. The output on this comes out there, so I'm gonna need... Right now I'm just experimenting, my friends, because as I said, I'm still learning. It's gonna take a little bit of learning. Connections, medium belt, so I'll go medium into there. Now I'll be able to craft some specific things, because in this game, machines, I need to craft an actual freaking drone pad, drone factory. You can automate drone factories as well. What I do need is 2 lasers and all the rest of it. I don't know if I need to connect the drone factory up, which I'm pretty sure I will have to. Let's see what the drone factory says. No, it just says everything in. Okay, so I can do the supplies for the drone factory. So I can probably just make a drone factory myself and just freaking craft a couple of them so that way I can get some kind of things going. Alright. Now we got that automated. Because otherwise I can do full automation kind of things with the drones and all the rest of it, you know? But I need specific things, you know? I don't have that stuff yet, so I've got to figure it all out right now. I've got to figure it all out. This is the fun part. Alright. Now I've got that going. What can I craft here? That's just the metal stuff. I need... Oh, okay, so they're gears. So you can't just do that with that. Okay, so I've got to craft something else. Platinum ingot and plastic. Ah, okay, so I need another machine on top of this to get that going. Oh my gosh. So what do I need? Oh, that's NW. Oh, that's alloy. Okay. What machine produces the alloy? That's a fabricator, isn't it? You know what I'm gonna have to do? I have to build multiple levels. This is gonna be freaking hard. So I got that fabricator. I need an assembler. Which way is that going? That's going in, that's going out. We've got a small import. Got a small import on my right. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's got a small import there too. What does this one do? Electronics. Let's lay them all out. Let's just lay them all out so we know what we got. We got the fabricator, we got the assembler, we got the pad, we got the drone. What's this one do? I haven't got enough gears for that right now. Your mean game. Forge. I need more gears. We go and put a crafting bench down. Oh, I shouldn't need gears. I swear I crafted heaps of gears. Get in your vehicle. There we go. How many? Oh. I used them all, didn't I? So we need more gears. What do we need for gears? This is going to take a lot of fine tuning, my friends. A lot of fine tuning. I just need alloy. Cool. Alright, we got plenty of gears now. Let's go figure out what all the rest of the machines are. Machines. Okay, we got the drone pad. We've done the factory. What's this air extractor? What does this create? Recipes. Contaminated nitrogen. Okay. A refinery. Oh, I need more pumps. My gosh. This is so fun. Ore crusher. Refinery. What's the refinery do? Ah, okay. So this is kind of pure nitrogen, pure phosphorus. Okay, so this is what... And you need filters. Ah, okay. This is going to take a little bit, my friends. This is going to take a little bit. This game is pretty full on with their... I like it. I like it a lot. This is going to take a little bit. Your compressors as well. What's this do? Oh, wow. And that's what you got to put into them things. Okay, I kind of get it now. The super compressor pushes it into that. Then you got to freaking do the other ones. So what have I got? Got an assembler, fabricator, foundry. I'm gonna need a forge. I'm pretty sure we're gonna need a forge. Yep, that does the glass and the alloys. There we go. Here we go. We're gonna need the forge. The assembler, which gives us the electronics and core drives. And then we're gonna need this for the other stuff as well. Okay, this is an amazing game. Oh my gosh. I have a lot to do. I have a lot to do. To get these working in unison, I have a lot to do. But we can do it. We can do it. Also, with the drones as well. So what I'm thinking is, the drones and the machines, the auto foundries, will create one line. Specifically one line. The secondary line up the top will create something else. The third one will create something else. So that way, each line will have its own set thing and it'll be done. It's all self-automated then. It'll be able to craft drones as soon as you need a drone component. It will craft, I'm pretty sure, the nitrogen as well, all the components. It's going to take me a little bit, so please bear with me, my friends, because it's a lot of farming. If any of my friends do end up having this game, or anyone does have this game, you're more than welcome to jump in at any point in time. Because as soon as we do get this going, this method will be pretty handy to have, you know. I'll leave these machines out now because I've got to do a bit of grinding, as you know, because I'm going to have to build a second layer. I'm going to have to build the pylons. I'm going to have to do a fair bit of stuff. I'm going to need pillars, so that's scrap and steel. This is going to take a little bit. It's going to take a little bit. We will get there. Thank yous all so much for coming and joining in and learning about the machines. we're learning together. As I said, I'm gonna make probably be 3 level, maybe 4 level. We'll see how it goes. Design. And then we'll go from there, kind of thing, you know. It'll look pretty hectic. Because there's a lot to this game, especially when I found out then. I was like, oh wow, look at these machines. And I was like, oh, they're going to be easy like the first ones. Nope, I was wrong. I was wrong. Right, we got to craft a new gun as well. Because it'll be nice to have this all automated and then all done, you know, kind of thing. I have used sweet as. I'll probably be going to bed shortly anyway, bro. Tomorrow night I'm going to be playing a bit of War Thunder. Was Friday and Saturday no streams. I will be working. Aluminium. Getting a lot of loot here, so I might even just upgrade my other gun, you know. So that way makes my life a lot easier getting into the automation game. Hey Vlad, how are you, my bro? Man, I'm doing good, man, but I kind of understand now how advanced this game actually is, bro. It's pretty hectic, man. Like, for me, for what I need to do, man, there's a lot of work. A lot of work. Yeah. Because, oh, Shivers, I'm full. I want to do a lot of it self-automated, which means I'm going to have to do 3 tiers. I've got to start sorting out a lot of my stuff too, because all the stuff I need is high tier, and I'm gonna have to do a lot of constructing, redesigning, and all the rest of it. But that's the fun of this type of game, you know? That's why I kind of like them, you know, to chill out to. It's just one of them things, you know, we play our PvP, which is stressful. This is more, you know, thinking, how am I going to do something, you know? How am I going to do it to make it easier? Because this game has drones that can collect things, but the issue being, I'll show you. Each drone needs a specific amount of things. And I need to craft them. I don't know if the drones get destroyed over time, like by accident or crashes, which I think they would. It's because you got to craft all your own drones. So these are 3 different machines that you need in the game, in the higher tier. This is the higher tier now. So you need this forge, which will craft glass and alloy. You need this one, which crafts drive cores and electronics. And then you need this one, which crafts gears, pumps, roller crushers, filters, thrusters for your drones, drone rear units, drone front unit, drone front lasers, and viral. It's a lot of work because, like, I'll show you the layout that I've done for one right now. They've made it this way so it's not simple. Okay, obviously I've got my power decks down here. This is the drone power. Okay, you can select different drones to get different things. Yeah, that's exactly right. It is relaxing, you know? So you can get your drones to collect specific things, which is good. So if you created 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different drones collecting the stuff. So that way your drones are off doing stuff and filling up all storage containers. So eventually I'll have like 6 drones going all the way along into storage containers. And then each storage container that needs a specific product and a specific line will do it. Then each one of these lines that's creating a specific thing that's needed for the fabricators and that, we'll put it into a storage tank and we'll produce it. So this, like, you know, each different thing needs a different thing. So I'm thinking, oh yeah, it's gonna be hard because I've worked it out. I need to build a lot of pillars. A lot of pillars. Like, because I'm gonna build another layer on top. So that way, whoops, there's the autosave. So that way I can have multiple levels. And each level will be doing a different thing. Yeah. Because otherwise, you got to think, if I just do it in a straight line, this whole area is going to be gone. It's going to be one whole automated thing. Where if you do it above one another, it might work easier kind of thing, you know? Yeah, kind of definitely a farm. Because, yeah, I'll show you the drones, what I do need for the drone center. Where's the drones? Where's the drones? Drone factory, here you go. Oh, man, I need more gears. I'm running, no! I've got to do a lot of stuff, man. I've still got to just do normal farming as well. Because I've been focusing on the machines tonight to learn what they do, how I'm going to lay it out and all the rest of it. Have I got gears? Yeah, I've got gears. Ah. So the drones. Drone factory, here you go. A drone factory, I need a drone front unit, a drone rear unit, 2 thrusters and 2 lasers. So, I don't know, let's give it a go. Let's give it a go. Let's just try the drone factory. And I'll try and input the devices needed and handcraft them for one drone. And we'll just see how one drone goes. We'll do a test. All right. Let's put one drone chip down. Where is it? Now I need to find where the power supply is on this thing. So, wish me luck. Connections. Oops. What? Have I got no more power cables? Are you for real? I bet you I put him back in the vehicle. Oh, that would be cool, man. That would be cool. Tomorrow night I'm playing War Thunder, my bro. Tomorrow night I'm playing War Thunder. I want to do a bit more grinding on it. This game I'm playing because I want to experience it. I am interested in this game. It is a very fun game. Come on. Can you reach it? I wish there was a turn. Alright. Now, hopefully I can put these parts in myself. So I need 5, 5, 4, 2 or 4. Oh my gosh, I need to craft a lot. Yeah, that's it. Like, you know, I don't like playing PvP all the time, you know. I like to chill sometimes, you know. We all do, you know. It's good to, you know, just put our feet up, relax, have a bit of laughs, check something else out, make our brains think a little bit. Alright, so I needed... I can't craft any of that stuff in here. I can't craft any of that stuff manually. I have to craft it all through that machine. Which machine was it? Yeah, that's exactly right, man. And, you know, enjoy a new grind kind of thing, you know? I need alloy and NWR drive cores. Okay, NWR drive cores I think are in here. Yeah, so what do I need for NWR drive cores? I need platinum ingot. Okay. I need platinum ingot. Pretty sure I got platinum down the other end. What happened? Oh, can I craft them? NWR electronics. I'm pretty sure I've got them. Yeah. Yeah, that's exactly right. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with a peaceful grind, you know? Alright, so I'll turn that on. 1. Two. Off. Why is it... Need 40 alloy. Ah! We got stuck for a second. No! Connections. Medium belt. Hopefully I just didn't use... Oh, cool, I got it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, turn that off for now. Alright, I'm going to try and do this because I want to see if I can create one drone at least tonight, you know? Thanks for all the likes, my friends. Thank you all so much. I want to do one drone before I go to bed. I know this is just a temp kind of build right now, my friends. Drone front unit. Hey, Sliven, how are you, man? One drone flex. Yeah, man. Sliven, this is like factoid. The second tier, man, is crazy. The second tier is crazy. Like right now, I'm trying to build a drone. Recipe, front drone unit. What do I need? NWR drive core. I think they're in here. NW drive core. I need platinum, ingot, and alloy. Okay. Woo! Oh, you grabbed it last night, did you? Heck yeah, man. It's peer-to-peer, so if you want, you're more than welcome to jump in with us anytime, man. Got steel, ingot, aluminium. I don't think I got platinum on me. I have to go up to the other base. Oh, man. Oh, platinum? Man. Man. How much scrap have I got? Not much either. Frustrating. I'm just trying to think of the easiest way to get it. I don't think I'm going to get it. Not tonight. What do I need? Rare metal? Yes, rare metal. Let's go. No! I accidentally hit the wrong button. Hopefully we can get it. Pasta. Yum. You stole my pasta. Alright, let's go. Let's hope I can get this. Oh, man. I can't jump. That's the downside about this game with this. You can't jump at the moment. So when you select cables, you have to kind of be in a position that you can connect both ends because you can't turn either. Oh, it's a little bit too short. Oh man, they're picking on me. They're picking on me. It is. It's silly. It's still in development, man. You got to remember, early access. So they're still fixing up little bits here and there, you know, trying to get everything working right. Aluminium ingot. Steel. I ain't got enough steel. Oh man, this is so much easier when you got two players. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna make it tonight. Not gonna make it. Not making the drone. I know what I've got to do. It's a pain in the butt, but I've got to do it. We've got to farm. Yeah, they are. They've done a very good job that it's still in development. Yeah. It'll be interesting to see how it goes in the next 3-4 years, you know? Well, yeah, that's it. It is funny. Like, I'm the same, man. I just had a bit of a laugh. I'm just like, I haven't got the rotate going yet. I know I've got an automated farm going over here, so let's see if I've got this going. This is your basic automated farm that I've got running right here. So I've got a little bit of scrap generated. So what you can do is you can... It only does it to where you set it, kind of thing. It's not like the drones, what I'm trying to do right now. Hey, it's better than nothing, you know? Especially when you first start off. Oops. Auto save. Like, I could be still running around just doing it with my laser, but meh. Because I'm just trying to get this issue sorted where I want to get a drone done, but I don't think I will. Because it's almost 1 o'clock for me. I don't know what happens if you stand in front of the laser. Do you dare me? Do you dare me to stand in front of the laser, see what happens? Oh, it's a little bit too high. I'm trapped in the... It's too high. What? Oh, I killed myself. I killed myself. That's all right. You just respawn back at the start. You still got all your stuff inside you. It's not like you lose everything. As you can see, I farmed a bit. This whole area is empty. So, yeah, I melted by laser. That's still pretty cool. At least we found out what happened together. That was funny. I don't know if you've seen what I've done with the first base though either. The first base I've fully upgraded as well, my friends. I've done a lot more than last night, so I got a kind of automation going. Yeah. Yeah, I know. You get an award in yourself. Trust me, we're gonna have lots of epic, funny moments in this. Like, you know, jumping from the top of buildings that you should just go splat from. Right now, I'm just farming a little bit because I know I'm gonna need it. If you got a couple of friends helping you, trust me, you'll blow through this game easy. If you're playing it solo, on an easy mode, it will take you a little bit. If you're playing it on hardcore, get ready. This game would be such a grind. I'll show you my first automation that I got going. You seen the farm where we built the farm the other day? This is my other automation that I built. Something with roof. Alright, well, I'm gonna need the steel scrap anyway. So this is one of my first automateds. So it's producing steel. Rust, yeah, lots of rust. This one's producing lots of aluminium ingot. Oh, don't get too technical, man. Animal, vegetable, or mineral. Let's get the other vehicle going. Don't worry, Vlad, I am too. I'm not a rocket scientist. I just think outside the square a lot. Mineral, it starts with R. Radium. Ruby. Ooh. Rock. Yeah, you're probably right there. Oh, I know what I need to. It's rock. Nice. GG's. I know what I need. I need rubber. So don't do what Park did and stand in front of a laser when you're a robot. You will die. Let's get the automation going again. Too high. I don't know why the automation's a bit weird on this. Sometimes it just it picks its own direction which way it's gonna go. Well, we need some rubber. Let's get some rubber, my friends. What's the time? Oh man, it's almost 1 o'clock. But we will be playing some War Thunder tomorrow night, my friends. Okay, we're going to craft a few storage pits because I've got to do a lot of work over here. G. Animal, vegetable, or mineral. This is going to be nasty. I love it. Right. There we go. Interact. Old stuff. Metals. New stuff. Here we go. Color. Green. So we need the glass, which is, oh man. That's right, that's what I needed, wasn't it? I'm a duffer. Let's craft one of them things. Power. Ah! Ooh, grey. Ooh! No. Old stuff. Man, this game's being mean right now. I don't think we're getting what I was hoping to get planned tonight. It's being mean. Oh, yes. All right. Oh my gosh. This is going to be a fun game to learn, eh? You watch. I'll learn it and then they'll drop an update and I'll be just like, whatever I've learnt just got thrown out the window. Oh, I know, I definitely would have a better time. Ooh. You tease me. You tease me. It's down at the other base. It's down at the other base. Oh, man. I definitely would have a much better time with the jetpack right now. Right now, I definitely would, but you know what? It's down the other end, and I'm trying to get this done, so I'll get this done. In action. It's going to be shambles at the moment because I'm just trying to make ends meet right now. eventually this will look proper. Hey! Right. Platinum ingot and alloy. Platinum ingot and alloy. Pretty sure I still have platinum ingot. Steel ingot. You watch. I probably freaking dropped it up at the other base, didn't I? Oh no, that's right. I was making platinum ingot. This is why I want it all automated in a specific way. That way I remember. Yep. We've got platinum ingot going. Oh man, that would be absolutely mean. But I like it. I do like that idea. Yeah, it'd have to be smarter with putting, you know, roofs over the top and all the rest of it, you know? Are you for real? Have I ran out of metal? If I run out of aluminium ingot. There's the gears. Oh man. Or is it in the other vehicle? I think I've run out of advanced. Oh, there's the autosave. Love the autosave. When it freezes on you, it's not broken, it's just the autosave. Nah. What did I do with the aluminium? I think I'll put it in one of these buildings up here. Sandstorms, heck yeah, man. At the moment, I don't think they can do it. I'll show you why. Go underneath. Maybe I'll be able to show you here. They got too many resources used right now. Look underneath the map. Look where my map is. See how they got water underneath the map? See how it's got all the texturing on the water? That's using a lot of resources right now. After they do finish the game, I hope they do fix that issue of the water underneath the map, because that uses a lot of resources. So you start adding things like sandstorms, all the rest of it, that adds another level. Yeah, that's exactly right. That's a lot of resources. Yeah, and optimization and all the rest of it. So when they do finish the game, hopefully, you know, they'll just in them sections and then delete the rest of the water. Because I know a lot of developers do it. They put a water base down and then they build their map on top of it. Yeah, it's an Unreal map, yes. So they can do it. They can do it. I don't know how many of these I needed, so I'm only going to do 2. Because yeah, I've done a fair bit, and that's all I was saying. If the devs watch this stream and they want to chat with me about it, man, they could hit us up. Like, majority of my community are game developers for big companies as well, like Sea of Thieves, freaking, you name it. The list goes on. No, that's not what I needed. Oh, I needed them for something else. That's right. Yeah. Yeah, that's exactly right. Because it's only got one it's only got one spot to spawn as well. It should be alright. They only spawn you in the ship. The North and South Pole on Mars. Watch them get confused. Did the polarities just change? So I done that. Wait up. No, I need to do that, don't I? Yes. Did I just craft one for two? I did too. Frame selfie. Nah. A streamer sitting there. Just sitting there. Gaming. In a stream room. I need 2 lasers and 2 thrusters. Let's try. Let's try. I'll give it to 130. This is going to be so hard. Alright. I need thrusters. Where do I make the thrusters from? I need gears and electronics. Got gears. Have I got electronics on me? No. Big brain move. Oh, man. Old electronics. No. Supplies. New electronics. Yay. Here we go. Here we go. One. Two. Alright, now what do I need? Let's go! One. Come on. Gosh, the fabrication time takes a long time on the laser. What's going on? Why is the laser still going? How long does it take? 8 seconds. Oh, that's why I need NWR glass. Alright, let's go see if we can make some glass. I don't think I can. What do I need? Sand. Can I craft sand? Contaminated dirty bucket. Looks like we're going for a drive. We're going for a drive again, my friends. We're going to get some dirty, contaminated, dirty soil. Yeah, I know. Like, I'm a robot. Like, scoop some up. Was it contaminated or did it say clean sand? I don't know. I stream whenever I get a chance, shit. You know me, man. Oh, daytime? It depends, man, on when your viewers watch, man. Because you got to remember, a lot of us Aussies are working at that time. So if you're Aussies, your main viewers are Aussies, a lot of them are going to be at work. If your main viewers are American, they'll be getting ready for bed. So it is a good time if you stream for American viewers. But European viewers, they'll be in sleep mode between 9 a.m. till 12 a.m. The late night gamers and stuff, late night viewers will come and hang out. So 9 a.m. till 12. Usually America can be my time from about 3 a.m. in the morning. Because, you know, they're up, they're doing stuff really up to your community, you know. What did I need? Dirty soil. Yeah, understandable, man. Like, I'm a late night streamer, so I'm used to it. Okay, so that's contaminated soil. How many contaminated soils have I got with? Oh, 2 contaminated. So yeah, it's just one of them things, man. Just trial and see how you go, man. Yeah. Yeah, see, I mainly stream late because I wait for my wife and daughter to go to sleep. Once my wife and daughter are asleep, I can stream all I want. But if they're home and away, no, I won't stream at all. I spend all my time I can with my wife and daughter. If they're awake, I'm hanging out with them. Streaming's something that I do later on, you know. Yeah. Well, Shin is from YouTube. He's just trying out Kick at the moment. Should go check him out, bro. He's actually a good friend of mine, Slytherin. Slytherin's just started on YouTube shit. Did my shout out work? Or is it just freaking shout out with the name? Yeah. Oh, what? What happened there? I'll have to go fix that up. Let's try it without the at. Yeah. Maybe. Let's try something else. I'm just doing a test. Maybe it doesn't like because of the abbreviations in there. 1 second. Let's see. Nah, there's something going on with it. Nah, that's all right. I'll fix it up later. I had it working, but I don't know why it's all of a sudden broken. Yeah. Yeah, I'll send it. Once I get it working right, I'll freaking send it to you, man. It's just not grabbing the game title, which it should be, and your YouTube channel. So I'd have to say probably $ name, because $ usually means the at. It's the grab of the handle. With elements, but they might have changed it. Yeah, see, I'm not a big fan of Botrix. I don't like how they hide it behind a paywall, man. It was contaminated dirt that you needed. Like, I got nothing wrong with supporting something, but I don't know how this is going to work. Where's the power cable for it? Yeah, they got a free version, but a lot of it's hidden behind a paywall too, like the games and stuff like that. I use Streamlabs for YouTube. The other one I was looking into was Botismo, but Botismo they actually charge. Yeah, it's crazy how much they want to charge some of these companies, man. Like, some of the companies are asking way too much. Like, I understand that they spend a lot of time, but some of them think that, you know, every stream is earning $100 million, where 98% of us aren't even making, you know, enough money to do our taxes every year. Oh yeah. The small companies are pretty good. Some smaller companies are really good. Some just see the dollar signs in front of their eyes. Hopefully that was enough. Hey, Z-Dog, how are ya? See, with subs at the moment, man, it's very hard. Like, Kick, I understand how a lot of them are getting subs over there. They're doing stupid stuff for their subs. They're doing stupid stuff. I've seen a lot of their channels that are getting heaps of subs. They're doing stupid stuff. It's what their channel is. I'm not slandering them in any way, shape or form. It's how they run their channel. It's how they do their stuff. You know, I'm not going to sit here and go, if I hit if every sub I get, I scull a freaking beer. No. Every sub I get a freaking, no, I'm not going to do that. Every sub I get, I do a twerk. No. I do subs, you know, Birdie Bot Beans. That's about it, you know. Some of them can do the mass giveaways. I can't do it. I can't do mass giveaways because of where I live in Australia. I have to do them by skill, not luck. So if I want to do a giveaway by skill, I have to pay for a license, which is $700 for 3 years. And also, I'll tell you the truth over there too. You see a lot of the big streamers getting other big streamers to donate to them, like the 100 subs and all that. They're only subbing 100 subs because they know they've got a lot of small community streamers in there. And some of them small community streamers will see that 100 subs donated from that other streamer. I'll be like, oh, dude, I'm going to go hang out with him. He gives the 100 subs, man. He gives the 100 subs. I'll go hang out with him. And they lose about 7 or 8 small streamers. They go to that person that just donated 100 subs. Trust me, I've seen it done. It's disgusting, but it's the truth. Yeah. I have seen it done. It is disgusting, but it is the truth. Yep. And you got to watch out for also the sub for sub communities over there as well. You got to watch out for them. What have you been up to, Z-Dog? How was your work today? I know there is a few communities over there right now that are massive sub for subs. And man, one of them I got really disgusted with and I just went, no, go away. I told him straight up, no, go away. Don't ever come back and talk to me ever about that kind of stuff ever again. Oh, you didn't have work tonight? Nice. Oh, Thursday and Friday? Nice. Yeah, they're when do I work? Thursday night off, Friday night, because I'm working Friday and Saturday. Yeah. So I don't mind following another streamers, though, I think, like you, Shin. You know, yous are honest people, yous are good content creators. I like your content. I've got no problem with following another streamer if I like their content. But if I don't like their content, I am not going near them. If I see that fake sub for sub and stuff like that, no, I'm out of there. I am out of there. Fast as you can see me run. I'd be like, go, there goes Puff. I need more of that. Same with someone that's doing aimbotting and cheating. I will leave their channel straight away. I do not condone cheating in any way, shape or form. Not in PvP shooters. And I see so many streamers and big name streamers do it. That's why I just go, no, see you later. I'm out of here, bye. Yeah. But that's all right, you know, everyone's got their own different way of streaming, entertaining and all the rest of it. And as I say, if they're doing all that kind of stuff, so be it. That's their channel, they can do it the way they want it. That's why we're entertainers, everyone's different. Obviously, Zelothane, as I said, I've streamed for 7 years, I'll tell you the truth. I streamed one game for like 3-4 years. Every day, I got bored of it. But I used to have an average of 70 viewers. Up. 70 viewers up. So some nights I'd hit 100 viewers. And then eventually I just got to a point where I was just bored of the game. And I was like, man, I've played this game every day. Let's go play something else. And as soon as I played something else, the numbers just dove. Within weeks, freaking the numbers dropped. But I'm just like, well, you know what? At least we're having fun. Everyone that did stick around with... Oh, well. Come on, flip it, flip it. Yes! I saved it. Everyone that did stay are real family. They are real family. And that's why I'm so grateful for them. Like, we came over here not, you know, I was like, well, you know what? I've got to go back to work. I've got to go to YouTube because this way, you know, if I'm working, you guys and girls want to watch something later on, you can watch it, you know? You can still talk to me. Over on Twitch or Kick or anywhere like that, you can't talk to me. Which, you know, I feel like I'm letting you down as a streamer. That's just the way I am. I'm an honest person. Like, I found out when I was over at Kick that a lot of my viewers couldn't actually create accounts because it's still in beta in their country or something was going on. So I was like, you know what? I'm not going to stream over there. If they can't view me or watch my show and they're missing out, no, I feel guilty. That's just who I am in life, you know? Alright, let's see if we can get... Oh, where's the glass again? Glass was in here, wasn't it? No. Glass is in here. Right, let's see if we can create one drone tonight. Hopefully we can. I won't, bro. I won't. I've got another 15 minutes. That's why I'm hoping I've got this, bro. Oh, it needs 5 glass. It needs 5 glass. Oh, you got your heater delivered. 1 second, 1 second. What did we get delivered? Wrong way. Woo! I got an open box. Oh, man. I got an open box coming. Speed run. I need 30 Celsius at night. And that's from all your guys and girls' help. I can't thank yous all enough. I'll be setting it up for when I come back from work. 30 Celsius is a bit hot. No, 30 Celsius is not, at night is hot, yes. Gosh. I hope they can update the driving a little bit. It's also my touchy keyboard. Because my keyboard is so sensitive, like the slightest touch and it activates. It makes it hard to drive in these games. Like, I'm thinking I might even just connect up my Xbox controller for driving in this game. We need lots of dirt. Ooh, new gear, yeah. It's well needed too. We need it. Everything that goes into this channel, as I said to everyone and everyone that knows me, everything that goes into this channel stays in this channel. Doesn't go to me personally, any time more. It all stays in the channel. So eventually we will get to a point, which we pretty much are there now. It'll be just whatever we make, it'll be going into giveaways. I'm looking into giveaways right now on how to do them where I live because it's so hard with my law. The reason why it's so hard where I live is because we've got to get a special license. We're the only state and in the whole wide world that does this. Only state. So for me to do a giveaway of luck, I have to pay for a license. The license is $700 for 3 years. But that watches for you guys and girls and everyone that enters the competitions, you know, it's to stop the scammers. This is the only reason why this was implemented. Was what happened a long time ago in Australia, in my state where I live in Australia. There was a group going around and they were scamming people out of millions of dollars. I'm not talking little bits, I'm talking millions of dollars. And it was because of giveaways of luck. And they got the lawyers in the small terms on the back of the giveaway saying, well, they're going to these shopping markets and stuff like that. And they were sitting down to people and saying, we're going to give away $1 billion. But the $1 billion giveaway on the small print on the back said, we will only do the $1 billion giveaway if the grand sum total is hit. So if they didn't actually make the $1 billion on that time frame that they'd set for the ticket giveaway, they got to keep all the money. And that's where our government went, no, we're blocking that. So they made us all have to get a license, which it's kind of slack. I've seen some streamers do it too. They're not in Australia, they're in different countries. They'll say, oh, if we hit, 200 subs this month, I'll do a giveaway. This isn't me, this isn't other channels, I don't have that kind of money. I can't do that because I don't actually have that license. These streamers would never hit 200 subs, so they'd never do the giveaway. Even though they're making the 200 subs. No, I've seen it happen on Mixer. I've seen it happen on Mixer. This one female did it, and oh my gosh. Everyone's like, dude, we just all got ripped off. And I'm like, well, why were you donating to her if you knew she wasn't going to hit 200 subs? And they're like, oh, we thought she was almost there. She was almost there. And then as soon as she didn't get it, and they're like, when's the giveaway? When's the giveaway? He's like, oh, we never made the 200 subs, so no one gets the prize. Wow. I was like, what? That's the reason why our country's done that law, to close loopholes like that. It cost me a lot of money, but hey, you know, at least you know I'm honoring, and you got proof that it was a legitimate freaking claim, you know? Like, I'd have to show, like, if someone wanted to dispute it and say, oh, you just gave it to your friend, I'd have to show the actual document saying that that person was actually randomly picked out, you know? And it wasn't rigged that that person was going to win it or anything like that. It's just a safety clause, you know? But it does cost a lot of money. It really does. Free things I can give away because there's no monetary value. Free things I can give away. If it's not free and it's got a monetary value, then, you know, obviously I've got to abide by the law. Otherwise I get in trouble. As long as it's not a monetary value. So if it's cost me money, then yes, it's got monetary value. If it's a game that developers have given to me free of charge and I haven't paid for it, and the developers have given me 20 codes, I can give them away because they're zero. They're not worth monetary value to me. There is a monetary value in the store, but because I didn't pay for them, they're zero. That's why some of my friends, what they did used to do for me is, like, some of my other big streamer friends, is if they were doing a giveaway, they'd include me, even though I haven't actually given them any money towards it. They just include me. Because they know my law where I live is it's kind of sucky, you know, like I've got $750 sitting in my back pocket, you know. I wish. You know. But as I said, once we get the channel there, we will over time, you know. We will get there over time. Don't worry, Slade. You'll get there too, my friend. And so will Shin. Once we start working together, getting the raids going, working with one another, we'll all explode. We'll all explode. Just remember, keep yourself honest. We will all explode. Come on, let's go. How many have we got? 5. There we go. Phew! We got a drone. Hopefully we got a drone. You know what? Let's get some souls in the chat. Hey, yeah, no, that's Slytherin. That was from the shout out before. I was testing it. Yeah, it's nice to have other people that actually, you know, work together. We all help one another. Me and Shin hang out on each other's streams when we got time, you know. And it's also good that, you know, we're a good group of people that we can actually co-stream together, you know. none of us are toxic streamers, you know? So it's kind of like we can all feed off one another. Sheen can be toxic some days, but not all the time, you know? Hey, we got a drone! Woohoo! We got a drone. Now what do I got to do? Oh, he's off. Bye, drone. Bye. See you. I think he's going to go get some stuff. Yeah, that's exactly right. Little bits here and there, you know. So I've only got one drone. It's mining resources. It's mining steel scrap, which is nice. It goes into here. Which at the moment I've got no recipes rolling, which is good because I don't want to craft anything yet. it just went, yep, bye path, see ya, I'm going, bye path, bye, you're on your own, mate. So yeah, what I will be doing now is see them different devices. As I said, what I'll be doing is I'm gonna put them on each different floor. So I'll do like one on one floor, one on the other, one on the other. And they'll all feed one another. The only thing I don't know how I'm gonna do is the dirt. Unless one of the other devices, one of the other machines, which we'll find out later, actually does dirt, which I think it will. I think there's, one second, let's go in the machines. That one does the conversion for this thing. Wait up, what's this one do? Ore crushing. I think that one might produce dirt. Because I've got the refinery. We got the air extractor, which is good. And then we got ground extractor. So there you go, phosphorus and sand. My gosh. We are getting there, my friends. Oh gosh, that thing is noisy. So we got one drone. I don't know what the turnaround cycle is for a drone. But as I said, if we've got 4 or 5 drones farming all different things, this will be all automated. It'll be like a 4-level, 3-level freaking drone farming. Yeah, it's bedtime for me too, Vlad. You have a good sleep, everyone. I've better get to bed too. I'm going to save it first before I get ready. Well, thank you all so much for coming hanging out tonight, my friends. Thank yous all so much. I've had a good time. Oh, man. The game just went back to the start. That's a bit better. Thank yous all so much for coming hanging out, chilling out with us, having a good old time. We got the drone done, so we got that thing done. As I said, we learned what... Good night, Z-Dog. Good night, Vlad. Good night, everyone. Thank you for coming hanging out, Z-Lane. It'll be great to actually catch up. Hey, and when you do want to play this, and hopefully we can get on at the same time, my friend, because it'll be good to actually have more people to play this with, because it's a pretty fun game. Once you get into it, it's very addictive. But yeah, thank yous all so much. As I said, now tomorrow night, if I think I'm streaming, we'll be playing War Thunder. I've got to play a bit more of that. I've got to grind up on that. Oh man, I've got to get back to mine on Friday and Saturday, I think it is. So I understand. I understand. But my luxury at work, I don't get to sit there at the desk. I'm constantly work. Do this, do that, do this, do that. But all right, my friends, stay safe, stay beautiful, and hopefully one day very shortly in the future, we will be able to raid some people. All right, have a good one, everyone.